Time play. Sana life together and we spy someone else. Blood. Tananan game. Life together, bruh. Life together, bruh. And we spy someone. And putan ko naman player og take ko shortcut nila ba. What happened, guys? I'm down. And 15 minutes today. Welcome to the video. And your song name here is Penny. And who is by someone else? Tesla. We spy that helicopter. Helicopter, where are you going? Rekogi. Putan ko normal people ko. Take ko shortcut o boom. Di lang na siri. Train crossing lol. Bangka. I'm spying someone. Isa to victim. No, someone else. That guy motorcycle. He's spying on me. Spying on me. Bawal spying si Yami. Oh my god. Spy na guy. That motorcycle. Spying that guy. This one to the beach. There. Over there. Oh my god, spying ta. Stupid ko. Sarah. No way. Okay. Hide. Go. We left the big room. Oh fuck. That's right, bro. Last time, I could buy coffee sa you see any red motor. Last the victim. Saya nalan na to. Ako na. Tinalan. Oh, last na ko mata. Drive around. Awat ko police ko. Who's the victim of Filipino, America. Kasi nasa SM kasi nasa Big Hotel, Philippines. Big Hotel. Asa dapit Big Hotel, Philippines. Sa dapit SM Hotel, Philippines na swimming pool. 3 years later, 2029, ato ko swimming pool o grade 4 ko na. Grade kindergarten naman ko na. June 8, grade 1 ko. Silence arrest! Silence arrest! Ako buto mo lang. Nagsat ganog na ko ba? Silence arrest! Unsay mo do? Silence arrest! Silence arrest! School bus is flying on the school bus. The fuck? Bakit naggago? Can't place here. Wala naman ko tubig. Ano sa ako car? Tani. Last victim red doctor over there. Remember ka gisiari? Natuwa. Tanak guy. Terus paling nagaya terus paling I find out a victim. Esto pasta guys. sila Robux. Ingat here. Oh my god. Asa? 1, 2, 3, 4. Patay na siya. Oh, bro. Pula, bro. Pisto na dakulako. Japan. Dala car. Super car. Is today. Mami, ako sa cellphone na. Usa tato sa cellphone ping cellphone na to. 10,000 Gcash og PD by 1,000 Robux. Pula bra. Pula bra. Mau ka film ka record na ko 37 ko 31 subscribers. Pula bra. What the fuck? Nagayaw si... Dang me. Today, we lost the challenge piece.